Hello traders, hope you all are doing good. Today I have a special trading strategy for you guys, and this will help you to make 95% profitable trades daily. Let's start the video without wasting any more time. Now this strategy is very simple to use. We will need 4 indicators to set up this strategy, 3 EMAs and parabolics. Parabolics set the EMA's values to 6, 14 and 30. Set the parabolic value to 0.05. First select 1 minute candle time. To make an up/call trade, when the green EMA line crosses the red and yellow EMA line in the upwards direction and the parabolic is formed below the candles, you can take 1 2-minute trade in the upwards direction. Same goes for the put/down trade, when the green EMA line crosses the red and yellow EMA lines in the downwards direction and the parabolic is formed above the candles. You can take 1 2 minutes trade in the downwards direction. It's that simple. Here I have placed a trade for downwards direction. I placed a bit early, but I'm sure I will make profits with this trade. Let's wait for the results. I won my first trade. It was a deep win. We made $1 profit. Now my second trade. Here I have placed full amount 2 mins trade in the downwards direction. Let's wait for the results. I won my second trade again. It was a good deep win. We made $160 profit. We made $27 profit. You can join my VIP signals group. I give daily consistent profitable signals there. Many traders have joined me, and they make good profits daily. Link is in the description, you can contact me from there. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe the channel to never miss new videos. Also, you can comment the topic on which I should make upcoming videos.